Hello. Okay, now I can guide you how to edit your website with the Elementor, and you can able to edit your header as well as your footer. Okay. So first of all, you need to log into your website. As you can see, I already logged in as admin. Okay. Now I can explain you first of all how you can able to edit your. Suppose if you want to edit your footer, then how you will do this. You can see edit with Elementor. If you click directly this icon, then it's mean it will open your page builder, okay, like which can edit your complete page. But suppose if you hover on this, you can see different option. You need to understand this. You can see footer, and this is the name of the templates. So it's mean if you are clicking here, it will open your footer. Okay, then you can able to edit the footer with the Elementor page builder. For now I am using the WoodMart theme, okay, in your website. So basically it's support Elementor completely. So now you can see, you can able to click here and just edit. So it's simple. If you know a little bit about the Elementor, just drag and drop. So let's go back, and now I can show you how if you want to edit the page, okay, then you can simply go here and click edit with Elementor, and then the page will open. And after that we can able to just make the like required changes. Now you can see if you click here, and then you can able to change the text or modify the design. Click here, but let's move on here. Okay, when you click here, there is no option to edit, but only show this. You can see, because we just created the slider with Elementor, but with different slide. Okay, so let's discuss this later. First of all, move here. Now when you click here, you, you can't see any product. Why? Let's see what's the issue. Okay, and tab, and here is the tab. Okay, like all injectable, and here is it, and here is the query, and the query. Okay, for now we need to select, we need to check the products which we already added in our website. Let's go to products and see. Okay, this is the product name. Let's type and test, and you can see this is the product. You need to search the product by name, and then you can able to show this here. Okay, I hope if you want to select on this collection, then you need to click here, and then you need to search the name. So I hope you understand. After that, you need to press save or update, and then it will update your complete website. Let's copy and paste and see, and it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now the second thing, as I told you, why this is not editable, because when you hover here, you can see slide 1 and slide 2. So it's mean even these slides are also editable with Elementor, but in different page. Okay, so let's click here and then edit this one. Okay, then I can show you how you can change or update or delete the text. Suppose this is the text, you can click here. Okay, and now here is the text. You can just like change whatever you want. Okay, and one thing more, if you want to delete this, okay, you can when you hover over any section, you can see a cross icon. If you delete this, complete will be deleted. If you delete this, you need to here and delete. Okay, I hope you understand. Let me put back the things as they were originally. Okay, so after please remember to update this setting whatever you do. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand. Now how to edit the footer as well as how to edit the inside page in the WoodMart theme using the Elementor page builder. Thank you.